If you want to give your home truly unique and luxurious look, the 3D epoxy flooring is one of the most exciting flooring options available today. Unlike traditional tiles or marbles, the 3D epoxy flooring creates stunning and visual effect that makes your floors look like piece of art, from ocean waves and waterfalls to the marble textures and nature themes. The design possibilities are almost endless. And this video I will explain the what is 3D epoxy flooring and the major advantages of using it and some important points you just remember consider before installation. The first we know what is 3D epoxy flooring. 3D epoxy flooring is specially type of decorative floor. It's created by applying the first base layer of epoxy is applied on the concrete floor. Then the high resolution image or design to place on the surface. After that, transparent epoxy layer is applied on the top, which creates a deep, glossy and three-dimensional effect. This process makes the floor look realistic and visual striking, almost like you are looking into the real sense of beneath the floor. And the biggest advantages of 3D epoxy flooring is its unique and eye-catching appearance. It can completely transform ordinary room into luxurious space. The popular designs include ocean themes, floral patterns, marble textures, waterfalls, and abstract art. The 3D epoxy flooring has no joints or ground lines like tiles. This creates seamless surface that looks clean and elegant because there are no gaps, just dust and can accumulate easily. Epoxy resin form very strong surface that can be handled daily foot traffic, furniture weight and general wear and tear. So when installed properly, 3D epoxy flooring can be last 10 to 15 years is even longer. Another great advantage is its resistance. Water and stains and liquids such as water, oils or food spills can be cleaned easily without of leaving marks. This makes it suitable for bathrooms, kitchens and living rooms and bedrooms. Because the surface is smooth and glossy, cleaning become very simple, and regular mopping and occasional wiping is a soft cloth are usually enough to maintain the shine. There is no need for special cleaning chemicals. And 3D epoxy flooring allow you to full customization. You can choose designs according to your interior style. Some popular options include ocean-based designs, nature them like flowers and leaves, and marble effect designs, abstract art, artistic patterns, waterfall or river designs. That makes it possible to create completely personalized for your home. A beautiful 3D epoxy floor can increase the value and visual appeal of